Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'll be opening up my latest Sublimation trend box from Johnson Plastic Plus. It is a monthly subscription and I love getting it. If you watch any of my videos before, I always call it like a gift to myself, a surprise that I get in the mail every month. So let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so let's push this aside. Now, as usual, we always have what I like to call our cheat sheet. It's just going to be a list that shows us everything that's in the box, but I like to look at the things myself and not use the sheet unless I have to. I always love a box within a box. Let's check it out. So here we have, a frosted wine glass, guys. So I have sublimated on plain white wine glasses before, but this is gorgeous. I have never sublimated on the frosted wine glass, and I love the effect of the frosted look on the regular sublimation tumblers. But guys, this is pretty dope, so I'm definitely interested in seeing what I do with it. All right, let's check this one out. Now here we have a lowball tumbler, and this is one of my favorites. Honestly, I have given them away as Father's Day gifts. I think I did about 2 or 3 projects with them, and they always come out really cool, really nice. And I believe this is going to be a 10-ounce tumbler. And of course, the inside is stainless steel, and like I say, these sublimate up really, really well. Oh, okay, what do we have here? Oh guys, this is pretty interesting. Never thought about sublimating on something like this before. So here we have a wine stopper. Let's get it fully out of the box. Well, rather out of the package. And so this is where we place our sublimation part, so we can definitely put anything that we want here. We sublimate on this so we could either personalize it, of course, with a name or an image or anything like that. And then we got the silver look going on back here. So yeah, this would be a really, really nice gift to personalize for somebody, considering the holidays are coming up. All right, guys, so we have this here. Now, I do have to take a look at my little cheat sheet over here. All right, so here we have the Unisub white textured hardboard with magnet strip. Okay, so this is a magnet, so we can completely sublimate on this. We'll go ahead and put our magnet strip there on the back. And again, we can put anything that we like, whether it's a name or some kind of image, or even a photo, like a family photo could totally go here. Say, for instance, you're personalizing these for the team sports that's in season right now. That would be really cool as well. And we have ourselves a oven mitt here. So the white side is going to be completely sublimatable. When we flip it over, we have our textured grip here. This is also heat resistant. I believe it's normally up to like 500 degrees. So this would be really nice to go ahead and put in the kitchen. Once again, like I said, we got Christmas coming up, and you could be able to put, like I say, a Santa Claus theme there, reindeer, snowman, whatever you like. But this is going to be something that is durable as well as customizable. All right, here, I always love a blank slate, guys. So this is a extra large handkerchief, but let me take a look at what it is here. Okay, we got a bandana scarf. I called it a handkerchief because it feels like the handkerchief material, but it's definitely bigger than a handkerchief. So this is a bandana. So normally we'll see like a paisley pattern on a bandana, but of course, because we have all this open space to put whatever we want on here. Once again, think about team sports, or either something for like church, or either work or something like that. Yeah, we have a lot of area to work with here, which is always fun. Now, this is a cute zippered bag. I love the colorway we have here. We got the gold and the black, and this is a canvas material. So once again, a lot of space to go ahead and put on here. So this is something that we could fully cover with whatever image we like. So it could be little lipsticks or makeup mirrors or different things like that. You can make it really fun. And last but not least, I love me some pink, but let's go ahead and fully open the package. So we have a hooded towel here, and this is going to be for baby. And this is a nice, vibrant terry cloth. This pink is like really giving me life right now. And could you imagine, guys, we could sublimate a little cute teddy bear here and put a really cute name there, like Baby Maya or something like that. That would be so adorable. I am loving this. I never thought about sublimating on something like this. So I love getting this box because it gives me so many fresh ideas. All right, guys, there you have it. I just want to share with you all everything that came in my latest Sublimation Trend box from Johnson Plastic. Plus, I mean, this pink, y'all, is really just so vibrant. I'm excited about that piece. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.